This is the HAIER, however you want to pronounce it, HAIER X Series 7 washing machine, the 9 kilogram version. To turn it on, you just touch the on button for 2 seconds. It's really responsive screen. First of all, it comes onto the eco mode, and you got the dial button here to turn left and right through all your presets. The first one that's flashing there now is the AI mode, and you can see it's set to 1 hour 18, but the washer will weigh your clothing inside and adjust the time to suit. To change the temperature, you just press the temperature button. It shows what the preset is at 40 degrees. $60, 0 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. I'll put it back to 40. It does have a remote control that you can use from an app, which the only way to connect to it is through 2.4 gig Wi-Fi, which is more hassle than what it needs. If you want to delay the start of the wash, you've got the delay button over here, and you can choose how long you want to delay the washing for. To cancel that, you just need to turn the selecting wheel to whichever side you want, and it automatically changes it. On the AI mode, it'll just assess what you've got in there and it'll wash according to that. There are a couple of settings, Allergy Care and Baby Care, that have got the built-in steam function, and Smart AI can also do the steaming function of the actual washing machine. You've got a drum clean option there, which puts through hot water. I think it's about 90 degrees to actually clean the drum, the inside and the seal on the washing machine. So yeah, that's the HAIER X7 X Series 7 washing machine interface, how to use it. Now it's just weighing the clothing in the washing machine, and then it will start the washing.